Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Trane AC F1 error code. So guys, this error code typically indicates a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units, often caused by wiring issues or a bad control board. So first one is turn off the indoor and outdoor breakers to the HVAC system and wait for 5 minutes and turn them back on to reset the communication, and mostly this fixes the issue. Another one is check communication wiring. So inspect the low voltage communication wires, usually marked as Y1, Y2, COM, and look for loose, cut, or corroded wires at both the air handler and outdoor unit. Now guys, if any of these doesn't work, a control board or thermostat module may be defective and need professional diagnostics, so just simply call for a service. There you go, see ya.